Ever feel like your 1000 rupees ad budget disappears faster than a plate of aloo parathas? I'm Digital Wolf, and today I'm handing you a padded listed playbook to make meta ads look even on a shoestring. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell because your ROI is about to level up. Why budgets burst? First truth, every fresh ad enters Meta's learning phase and needs roughly 50 conversions to stabilize. Split that tiny budget across 5 assets and boom, you are stuck in a learning limited limbo. Spy before you buy. Open Facebook Ads Library, type your biggest competitor and note any creative that's been live for over 90 days. If it's still spending, it's printing money. Borrow the concept, the hook, the offer. Don't plagiarize the design. One high margin hero. Don't show your whole product buffet. Pick a single hero with juicy margins. Mini that eco-friendly yoga mat that nets 1200 profit. Fewer variables, cleaner data, smaller spend. Let AI stretch your money. Flip on Advantage Plus Tap in Budget. Meta's AI shifts tends to the best performing ads automatically. Some brands see 10 to 15% cheaper sales just by enabling this switch. Convert, don't just impress. With limited cash, avoid awareness objectives. Go straight for sales or leads. So every rupee chases revenue, not just vanity reach. Bad edit fever. Editing copy or targeting too soon dumps the ad right back into learning. Treat it like dum biryani. Open the lid early and the buy stays kacha. Let each setup run a full 7 days before tweaking. Talk to one person. A PR agency could run separate videos, one only for content creators, one for startup founders, one for SMB owners. Clone your best buyers. Upload last year's customer list. Build a 1% lookalike audience. Meta finds people who behave like your top buyers, saving you from spending money on random strangers. Scale like chai on simmer. Once you are breaking even or sipping a tiny profit, raise spend by 20 to 30% every 3 days. Anything steeper shocks the algorithm and spikes cost. Breakout pipe. Spy smart. Pick what hero offer. Trust the AI. Don't poke the ad every hour. Skip to a single try. Clone your buyers and scale gently. Follow these steps and your so-called chiller budget will start behaving like a big fat wallet. Now grab a chai, open Ads Manager and let's make it rain conversions. If this helped, hit like, drop your questions below and I'll see you in the next one.